Alright guys, today we're diving into the world of brow treatments and specifically the debate between lamination and microblading. Now, I've been curious about these procedures for a while, and I'm here to share my thoughts and insights. So, let's get started. First things first, what's the deal with brow lamination? Well, it's like a semi-permanent treatment that realigns and sets your brow hairs, giving you that trendy, brushed up look with incredible volume and definition. It's perfect for anyone who wants a natural yet perfectly groomed finish that lasts for weeks with the right aftercare. But is it worth the hype? Personally, I think it's a game changer for those who want a low-maintenance, natural-looking brow. Now, let's talk about microblading. This is a semi-permanent procedure where pigment is implanted to create a defined, long-lasting shape that enhances your natural brows. It's a great option for those with sparse or unruly brows, as it can build definition and volume from scratch. However, it's not for everyone, and it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. One thing that immediately stands out is that lamination and microblading serve very different purposes. Lamination is non-invasive and reversible, while microblading is semi-permanent. If you have extremely sparse brows, lamination alone won't create the needed volume, but microblading can. Conversely, if you have unruly natural hairs, lamination can set them in place, and microblading can complement this by creating a full, defined look without the need for makeup. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The order of your brow treatments matters. If you get microblading first, it might clash with the way your natural hairs sit after lamination. However, if you get lamination first, it can subtly change the natural shape of your brows, and microblading can then perfectly highlight this new, defined shape. So, it's really about finding the right sequence for your brows. In my opinion, lamination is a great way to give your brows a much-needed lift and create a tidier, fuller look. But it's not a permanent solution. If you want a long-lasting, defined shape, microblading might be the way to go. Ultimately, it's about understanding your brow's unique needs and finding the right treatment for you. So there you have it, guys. Brow lamination and microblading are both amazing options, but they're not one size fits all. It's all about finding the right balance for your brows and your lifestyle. Personally, I think it's worth exploring both options and seeing what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty insights.